What's going on, guys? This is my stock. You guys know I love to trade Tesla and Nvidia. Now, again, these are the two, I think, probably best trading stocks, especially for day traders. Again, not for everyone because they are a little bit expensive. They do tend to move a lot. That average true daily range is huge. So if you are on the wrong side of the move and you don't really know where to get out, you can get into a lot of trouble. However, if you have a strategy and an edge like what I teach, the theory over at evolutiontraders.com, where we're kind of using this big chart of supply and demand to kind of navigate these markets, sit back, allow the trades to come for us. Again, I am not the type of trader who is, as soon as the market rings, I'm putting on 10, 20 trades and, what's long, what's short, no, I'm not doing any of that. I have a bias coming into the market. I understand where I would like to potentially trade the stock, whether it be long or short. I have a area of like that measured potential, right? So I want stocks that have room. And sometimes you can't trade, especially options, each and every single day. Let me let you guys in on a little bit of a note. Today, you could have traded and made a whole month's P&L on the moves that happened today. But again, so I made around $2,700, $2,500, something like that on Tesla. I want to show you guys exactly what I was looking at. Now, we understand that the selling pressure has been down, right? Tesla has been making these lows. We had the earnings. People didn't really like what was said. The Cybertruck is going to cost a lot more. There's just Tesla right now, guys, it can't really catch a bid, right? So like nobody really wants to buy this thing. And it's evident even in the dead cat bounces, like they go, but it just takes a little bit of time. So coming into the market here, what I wanted to see was that low get put in here. So 6:30 a.m. we have this nice flush followed by a little bit of bounce. Now, again, I wanted to see here where exactly was Tesla going to stop? Where's that opening range high going to be? As soon as I seen us here at 7 a.m. start to get rejected into this supply of the 50-day moving average and the 200. We never took out the 200 here. And then I seen the 705 candle, no follow through, no continuation. The first thing you have to start thinking is that was a little bit of a bounce. Look for the reversal back down through the lows into the next area of demand. As soon as I got my 20 SMA setup, you guys already know, what am I looking for? A close below the 20 period moving average. Why? Because it's a short-term change in trend. What am I trying to target? The next area of demand. On this 5-minute time frame, what's the next area of demand? Down here at the linear regression. We're talking about a price of around, about that time, we're looking at a price of around 212, 213. Entry price was going to be somewhere close to 216. I took the 217.50s, I believe, on those contracts, around $217. Now, what I was looking at here is as long as we stay below the 5, the 10, and the 20-day moving average, we want to try to maximize those gains into demand. Now, again, if you're having a little bit of trouble holding on to some of these profits or gains or letting them actually work in your favor, please, please, please tell yourself this. Is there a reason technically for me to get out of the trade? Has there been technical damage that's been done that's telling me do not hold a short position anymore? Meaning, once you get in here, yes, we did have a little bit of a bounce. Again, guys, it's going to happen. Please, guys, there is not probably any strategy out there in the world that will never put you into drawdown. I'm just going to let you know that. So, again, once we get in, we do get into a little bit of a sticky situation where it kind of looks like Tesla might go against us. Oh my God, we're going to lose a trade. Never takes out a 1-bar stop, guys. Never even closes above the 5, 10, or 20-day moving average. Have patience. You know what? What would probably help a lot of you guys out there is to be honest. Honestly, when you find a trade that's valid and it shows it has potential, put the trade on. Go take a walk for like 10 minutes. Don't even look at the charts and just come back in 10 minutes. Either you're going to have to sell because you're getting stopped out, or you're going to be sitting really nice in profit. Again, it's a bit of an experience thing. If you guys are looking to kind of understand how I'm using this chart, you guys would like to get involved on the live streams, you guys would like to get involved in the live chat channel trading where we're talking live with the guys in the room, where we're throwing ideas around. I actually took an idea from one of the traders today. He threw it out there. He said, hey, D, SNOW. I want you to look at ticker symbol SNOW. Look at SNOW. As soon as I pull it up, it was a fantastic looking chart. Ended up taking that short as well. But that's the power, guys, of having people to trade with. Also, not over analyzing shit, right? I mean, look at the daily chart on Tesla, for example. Look at the daily chart on Tesla. What about this chart tells you dead cat bounce? What about this chart tells you maybe we're going to go higher? What about this chart tells you that? Nothing, right? So if you have a short setup, you confirm a previous day low, you take out the pre-market lows, you run into on a little bit of a bounce, right? Like in this particular situation on a 5-minute view, okay? When you run into a little bit of a area of resistance, you get that little bit of bounce, you're shorting the pops when you're under supply. Let the bounces go, short the rejections, play it back down through the lows. Vice versa when we're in a bullish market, style market. But it's not rocket science. And I love trading Tesla because you can get in, especially if Tesla sets up these fantastic moves on a Friday when contracts are cheaper. Guys, you can really start to take advantage of it. If you guys want to join me and trade, cool. I'm here for you guys. You guys can definitely schedule one-on-one coaching calls. Again, if you're in the room, get yourself familiar with the room, okay? Go to the announcements channel, go to my calendar, make an appointment to schedule a coaching call. Also, go through the courses, look through all the channels. They're there. Start familiarizing yourself. For those of you guys who are just watching this on YouTube, if you guys want to get involved and you want access to the courses, you want access to the trading psychology, you want access to the watch list. Guys, I had a few things on the watch list, like Enphase at 120. Enphase went all the way down to 97. I also had Apple, which also went down $3. I had it like at 174. That was the pivot level. We had to wait 3 days for Apple to confirm. But once it did confirm, we got $3 off that move. There was so much more. Like I can just go through this right now and start looking. I mean, everything obviously was short. The Amazon trade was a fantastic trade to the short side. Obviously, the NVIDIA trade, there was so much, right? There was so much. One trade I did never circle back to was AMD because I was done. I went to get some coffee. What did AMD end up doing? Guys, AMD still looks good for next week. AMD has not confirmed. Whoa. But I want you guys to notice something here on AMD. Look at AMD's daily chart. I know we do have support down here at about $100.69. But it's held this 101.40s once, twice, 3 times, 4 times a lady. If we do start to lose this could put in an extended leg down to around 98. Keep AMD. That's a free one for you guys out there. Keep AMD on watch. Set an alert. But guys, if you're looking to get involved and you're looking to get access to the courses, you're looking to get access to myself, you're looking to trade with me, you're looking to kind of get the ball rolling, like let's take this seriously. I'm a realist. I'm going to tell you straight up right now, you will lose trades. However, if you start to understand, relax, understand that we're going to catch these winning trades, you will make money as well. You're going to start to understand the process. The main thing is understanding and having full confidence in your skill set. Do you personally, I want to leave you guys with this. Do you personally trust and have confidence in your trading skills and ability to read the price action and follow through with your edge? Meaning use your strategy. Personally, you right now, the one who is watching this video, do you have confidence in yourself to do this each and every single day? If you do not, you should not be focusing on taking trades. You should not be focusing on looking at the charts for 9 hours a day. You should not be focused on watching YouTube videos that are going to maybe give you this magic golden answer. What you need to do is actually invest in education, invest in a mentor, invest in a coach, and get in with a community of people where you can start to take trades daily and actually see in real time, what are you doing right? What are you doing wrong? That's what's going to help. Sitting there, not understanding and just looking around, like a freaking beaver that has lost its stump, it doesn't make any sense to me. Invest in yourself in education. I'll see all of you guys on the inside.